In this video, we will solve question number 14 of the bank reconciliation statement. And moreover, we will be solving one more question. Here in the question, it is mentioned about the unfavorable balance. Till now, we have done favorable balance as per cash book and unfavorable balance as per cash book. Now, we are coming to the next topic wherein the balance will be given of passbook. That will be also unfavorable balance as per passbook also. So in the question number 14, there is the unfavorable balance in the passbook is given. The format already done. The very first line in the books of Sri Bhandari. Since it is mentioned in the question, prepare bank reconciliation statement of Sri Bhandari as on March 31, 2017. So in the books of Bhandari, in the top we will be writing bank reconciliation statement, and the date also will be writing accordingly what has been given in the question. And balance is given at the end. After the fifth point, you can see the balance is given overdraft as per passbook. When overdraft is given or unfavorable balance is given, it is written on the minus column. First, overdraft as per passbook. Balance given as per overdraft as per passbook is 20,000. So we will be writing the minus column because this is an overdraft balance or unfavorable balance also. Second, the payment of a check of rupees 500 was recorded twice in the passbook. See how it will be solved. First of all, CB for cash book, EB for passbook will be writing. We are starting with the balance as per passbook, so we will be arriving at balance as per cash book. Here, what has happened is the payment of a check of 550 was recorded twice in the passbook. 550 is the balance. Payment of a check for 550 recorded twice. Now, these are recorded twice in the passbook. But what will happen is, if two times payment are shown in the passbook, that means it will be shown as a deduction twice in the passbook. This is a mistake. But in the cash book, only one time this will be shown. Only once the withdrawal means payment of rupees 550 will be shown in the passbook, in the cash book. But in the passbook, by mistake, it has been recorded twice. What will happen then here? The cash book will be showing 550 excess balance, because here there is twice negative balance is there, two times deduction is being showing, but in the passbook only once deduction, in the cash book only one time deduction is will be showing, and as a result 550 more or excess balance will be reflecting in the passbook. Since we have to find out the balance as per cash book, so we will be also recording everything accordingly what has happened in the cash book. What has happened in the cash book? Only once there is deduction in the passbook as well as cash book, but in the passbook twice, two times the payment is reflecting, but here the two times will be not reflecting, so 550 excess balance will be showing in the cash book. So we will be writing payment of check recorded twice in passbook. So 550 excess balance will be showing in the cash book, because there is no mistake in the cash book, because only once the payment will be sent. Withdrawal column, next is the withdrawal column of passbook is undercast by 200. Now withdrawal column of passbook is undercast by 200. It means 200 should have been shown as a deduction in the passbook. 200 should have been shown as a deduction in the passbook. Now here it is showing that withdrawal column. Withdrawal means the payment has been made. Withdrawal of in the passbook it is undercast, means it should have been 200 minus should have been reflecting in the passbook. But in the cash book 200, it means in the cash book what will happen? 200 will be reflecting, 200 lesser balance will be reflecting in the cash book. But here it is undercast, but in the cash book it is not undercast, because it is given in the passbook that the passbook has been undercast. Means actually 200 more withdrawals should have been shown, but it is not reflecting. But what is happening in the cash book? 200 less balance will be reflecting in the cash book. Since there will be lesser balance will be reflecting in the cash book, so this 200 will be recorded in the minus column, and we will be writing here under casting of withdrawal column. Withdrawal column of passbook. In the passbook only the undercasting is there, but in the cash book undercasting will not be there, so there will be less 220 balance. 200 balance will be lesser, will be reflecting in that. It is not 220 but 200 only. Again, a check of 200 has been debited in the bank column of the cash book, but it was not sent to bank. A check of rupees 200 has been debited. Debiting in the cash book means addition. Debiting in the cash book means addition in the, that is to be if there is debiting means we have recorded in the debit side, that is on the receipt side of the cash book. So a check of 200 has been debited in the bank column of the cash book. It has been debited means there is an addition in the, it has been written in the receipt side of the cash book, but it was not sent to bank. It was not sent to bank means in the passbook 200 less balance will be reflecting. So what has happened in the cash book? 200 excess balance will be reflecting in the cash book. So we will be writing here check recorded, check debited in the cash book only. Cash book only, not sent to bank. Not sent to bank. 200. Because it has been debited or it has been entered in the receipt side of the cash book, but it was not sent to bank. So if it is entered in the receipt side of the cash book, means more balance of 200 will be showing in the, means reflecting in the cash book. Next is the a check of rupees 300 debited to bank column of cash book was not sent to bank. The both are the one and the same thing. A check of rupees 200 has been debited in the bank column of the cash book, but it was not sent to bank at all. And the next statement, the third and the fourth, both are one and the same thing. A check of rupees 300 debited to bank column of the cash book was not sent to the bank. Both are one and the same thing. In the fifth as well as the third and the fourth point, both are the one and the same. This check of rupees 200 has been debited in the bank column of the cash book, but it has not been sent to the bank. So if we will be writing the same sentence, check debited in cash book, not sent to bank. Not sent to bank. 300. And the last, rupees 500. In respect of dishonored check were entered in the passbook but not in the cash book. Rupees 500 in respect of dishonored check was entered in the passbook. In the passbook a check was dishonored, means 500 less balance will be reflecting in the passbook, but it has not been recorded in the cash book. So 500 excess balance will be reflecting in the cash book again. So it will again be written in the plus column because excess balance of 500 will be reflecting. Check dishonored, not recorded. Check dishonored, not recorded. Not recorded in cash book. Check dishonored, not recorded in the cash book. Now see, let us find out the balance. What is it? The debit side, the minus column is 2200 and the plus column is 200, 300, 1000. It is 1000 plus 1550. 1550. 0, then 5. 1550, 11 minus 5, 6. 650 is the balance. 650 will be written in the plus column and it will be shown as a overdraft as per pass. Overdraft as per cash book. Overdraft as per cash book. Overdraft as per cash book and total will be 2200. Now we will also, this amount is 20,200. 20,200 minus 1550. 1550. 0, 5. 11 minus 5, 6. 9 minus 1. 8, 1. 18650. 18650 is the balance. 2200. 2200. Here also 2200.